Why just the right PPC campaign management brings in lots and lots of cash. So you spent all your time and energy building the perfect website. Now you want to share the fruits of your labor, and maybe even make some money on the side through your online ads. Maybe you have an online business that markets a hot product that you are selling on your website, but you find that you are having trouble bringing customers into your site. So instead of gaining money, you are actually losing money because of the monthly rent that you're paying to have your website hosted in cyberspace. The best solution to this problem is to advertise. Let people know that you are here and ready to do business. One of the quickest and most effective ways to advertise your website on the net is to come up with a great PPC campaign management plan. PPC is an abbreviation for pay per click. Certain keywords or phrases that people type into a search engine lead to hundreds and hundreds of search results that pertain to that specific keyword. Businesses that want to advertise on the net using a PPC campaign have to come up with a plethora of keywords that is associated to the business that they are running, so when potential customers type in these keywords, it will lead them to their business site. This is pretty much the whole concept that operates behind PPC. This is how a PPC campaign brings in traffic to your site, with the selection of the right keywords that people can search through the net. Some keywords tend to be more expensive than others, especially popular ones. It is vital to select the right keywords, in order to get your money's worth. This is why it is important to manage your PPC campaign wisely. Sometimes you are better off opting for the less popular keywords that are not so expensive, especially if you have a limited budget. Some businesses even hire the help of a consultant to manage their PPC campaigns. There are a lot of experts that specialize in PPC campaign management. They come with strategic plans and assess the need of their clients. They then come up with a PPC campaign that caters to their client's specification. This is why big online businesses seek the expertise of a professional to run their PPC ad campaign, because the right set of plans can potentially bring in a large amount of profits. The more keywords you have, the more you increase the chances of customers clicking these keywords that would lead them to your website. There are also some software you can purchase, such as GoToast or BidRank. These software track down your keywords listing. If you are running a business online and are planning to run a PPC campaign, it is advisable to purchase keywords that are extremely related to the theme of your business. This way, people know what they are getting, and don't get confused about the content of your website. The secret is to use keywords or phrases that are searched frequently, but cost very little. The chances are, the longer people stay in your site, the likelihood of these potential customers making a transaction. But first thing is first. You must lure them into your turf. This is why a lot of entrepreneurs spend a large amount of their budget on advertising, because they know that the right advertising campaign can start the ball rolling. Also, you should do some research before you start your PPC campaign. There are a lot of PPC search engines to choose from. Those who are less renowned charge less for the same keywords that you'd find in the bigger PPC search engines. The great thing about PPC campaigns is that you can reach a worldwide audience. Advertising online means global marketing. Most PPC search engines require a monthly payment in exchange for their services. But if you fail to make payments, they will automatically take your listings out of their search engines. So make sure that you pay your monthly bills, so all the efforts that you put into your PPC campaign don't go to waste. The potential earnings that can be generated by starting a pay-per-click campaign is significant. That's why a lot of online businesses now are trying to get in on the act. Now, with the right set of keywords, and a smart PPC campaign management plan, more than ever, online businesses are bringing in the big bucks.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.